We're actually at what we call the receiving door station. So what's happening is that there's some door coming out from outside, from the supplier, that brings the door right here. So what we want them to do is receiving the door, unwrap the doors, verifying everything, identifying them also with a label on it, and automatically after that sort them into a mobile cart as you can see right here. Now what's really interesting is that every bin represents a work order, a job. And we have the same status directly into the screen. So what we can see right here is all the jobs that's supposed to be into a rack been identified inside of that. Every door or every jar front will have a label on it with a unique barcode on it, so we're able to track them and have all the information needed for these elements. So what's happening is that they unwrap the door, automatically afterwards, they're just going to go in and scan the door. The system will allow them to know in which bin to place them, but mostly what we want to control here is not necessarily to know how to divide them, because it's pretty much easy some places with some colors, but it's pretty much to count the doors, make sure that we have received all of what we need for the job into the rack, and that everything has been verified and count towards that. If we're missing something, well, automatically, as you can see to the system, here in that job, we have all the doors loaded up. But if I look at this job right here, we're missing one part of its element. So I can go in and see directly to the system what is missing and the reason why it's missing also. So we can see that we have a door-based missing door. So it must have been received, and we're missed the baby reject from the supplier. So it has been punched into the system,